Hey everyone, my name is Zach Fox, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a video game. This tutorial is aimed at beginners, but anyone's welcome, of course. We'll be making a space shooter style game, and we'll be using the game engine Unity. So make sure you have Unity installed, and let's get straight into it. Alright, first thing we're going to do is going to come into the game object tab, go 3D object, and go cube. Then on the y-axis, we'll move to about -3, and we'll rename it player. Then in the project tab, we'll go right click, create C# script, and we'll call the script player. We'll just drag the player script onto the player, and then double click the player script to open up in our preferred scripting tool. Mine is Microsoft Visual Studio. Alright, so now at the top here, so in coding we pretty much have the main parts of variables and functions. So we're going to start with, this is C# programming, by the way. So we're going to go public float x. Now float is a decimal number. We also have ints, which is full numbers, bool, which is true or false statement, and a bunch of other things like, say, game object or transform. There's a fair few of them, but the main ones are float, ints, and bools, and strings. A string is basically just text. Alright, beautiful. So let's go public float speed. Alright. So in the update function, we're going to go x equals transform.position.x. And that just saves x as the x position in space. And since we go transform.position, that automatically gets the object that the script is attached to. So let's go ahead and do some more code. So let's go if input dot get mouse button down 0, and this will just detect if we left click our mouse. And let's go if x is over -4. We'll go transform.position equals new vector 3. We'll go minus speed 0 then 0. So that's supposed to be plus equals new vector 3. So this will just add some distance to our position in space and time. And at the very end, I'm going to go times time.delta time, which will basically make it so it is just independent of our lag. So we won't get it bouncing across the screen if we're lagging. Alright. So let's go ahead and go else. And we'll go ahead and copy and paste that. But here we'll go if x under 4. So let's go ahead and make a new variable, public integer border. Yeah, why not border? And let's change this 4 to border. And we'll get rid of the minus here on speed. Alright, gorgeous. Save that, Control S. Come back to Unity. Alright, so our border, we'll put it 6. And our speed, we'll put it 4. Alright, so let's click play and see what happens. A little bit of lag, it's all good. Alright, so you can see, alright, so we're going to come back here and we're going to get rid of down. Whereas on our input, I'll get mouse button method. All right, gorgeous. So let's click play. And you see we automatically go to the side of the screen. If I hold down left click, it'll try to go to the other side. It'll stop at 6. We might even make the border 5. And let's make the speed 7. Alright, now we've got a pretty responsive character, pretty simple controls, but it'll do for our first game. I reckon that's pretty good. So now let's go ahead and do a game object, 3D object, cube. And we'll bring down the x-axis to 0.25. Make the y, say, 50. And we'll bring it over to -5. And Control D to duplicate, and 5. Let's see if that works. Alright, now so let's put over to 6, -6, and 6. Alright, let's see if that works. Alright, gorgeous. So let's rename these rails. Let's go to our main camera and let's click the background under our camera component, and we're going to make it, we're going to go clear flags and go solid color. And here we can change to whatever color you want. Doesn't matter. Alright, gorgeous. And that is the player controls and a simple map done. In the next episode, we'll cover probably spawning different things to dodge and collect. And I shall see you in the next episode. Bye.